It is 2 p.m. on a Saturday. You haven't showered. You haven't brushed your teeth. You are hiding under a duvet, watching strangers live their lives on your phone. You call this bed rotting. You treat it like a quirky trend. But look at the word. Rotting. Things that rot are dead. They are decaying. You aren't resting. Rest gives you energy. Rest makes you sharp. This makes you heavy. Your body feels like lead. Your brain feels like wet cotton. The more you sleep, the more exhausted you feel. You aren't recharging. You are rusting. You tell yourself this is self-care. You are lying. This isn't healing. This is a collapse. Why do you do it? Why does a capable adult turn into a vegetable for 48 hours? People call it lazy. They are wrong. You aren't lazy. You are overheated. Think of your brain like a laptop. If you open 5,000 tabs at once, the fan screams. The heat rises. What does the laptop do to save itself? It crashes. Bed rotting is an emergency brake. Your boss wants your time. The news wants your fear. TikTok wants your dopamine. Your nervous system is under attack. So, you retreat to the only safe place left. The bed is a bunker. When you are under the blankets, the world can't touch you. You aren't staying in bed because you love sleep. You are staying in bed because being awake hurts. Let's look at the mechanics. You aren't rotting. You are freezing. This is dorsal vagal shutdown. When an animal faces a threat, it tries to fight or run. That is anxiety. But if the threat is too big, the body switches tactics. It plays dead. Think of a possum seeing a wolf. It goes limp. It slows its heart. It numbs the pain. You are the possum. Your brain decided the world is a predator. The only way to survive is to stop moving. This is why you can scroll for 6 hours but can't get a glass of water. Your executive function, the CEO of your brain, quit the job. You are running on survival instincts. But here is the trap. The bed feels safe, but it is starving you. When you play dead, your brain stops making serotonin. You are cutting off your own fuel supply. Here is the physics of the situation. The bed is not neutral ground. The bed is quicksand. Every hour you stay horizontal, the gravity gets heavier. You aren't resting. You are cementing yourself to the mattress. You think, I'll get up when I feel like it. You will never feel like it. Rotting destroys your dopamine receptors. You are drinking cheap, passive dopamine from your phone. Why cook a meal when you can watch a video of someone cooking? You are training your brain to be a spectator. You aren't healing trauma. You are fermenting in it. The bed is a depression incubator. You are waiting for energy to strike you like lightning. It won't. You have to generate the electricity yourself. How do you break the freeze? Don't aim for productivity. If you try to go from bed rot to hustle, you will crash again. You need a cold start. Forget cleaning. Forget showering. Just sit up. That's it. Change your spine from horizontal to vertical. This signals your nervous system. The threat is gone. We can move. Drink water. Open a blind. Do not wait for motivation. Move the meat vehicle. The feelings will follow. You cannot think your way out of a prison made of thought. You have to claw out. Treat yourself like a rusty machine. It will grind. It will suck. Do it anyway. There is a difference between rest and rot. Rest is active. You read. You walk. You feel full. Rot is passive. You hide. You numb. You feel empty. It is okay to be tired. But don't let tired become your identity. The bed is for sleeping. It is not a coffin. You have been playing dead long enough. It is time to respawn.